Joe Romero here with Century 21 Masters, and through Randy Horowitz and Associates, I have this wonderful listing that I want to share with you. It's located at 15918 Caterpillar Drive in Fontana, North Fontana, on the border of Rancho Cucamonga and Fontana. Come inside, take a look. It's a sneak preview though. Come on in. And here is your sneak peek. Take a look. So the first thing I want to show you is this wonderful built-in entertainment section that opens up to an open floor plan, including the dining area, and focusing out to the mountain views that are just spectacular. If you've liked what you've seen so far, I have to tell you, come and visit us this coming Saturday at 11 a.m. until 3 p.m. The address is 15918 Caterpillar Drive in North Fontana, on the border of Rancho Cucamonga in North Fontana. Come and see us. We look forward to seeing you then.